Hey, I'm Dan from Boys Aloud, and I've got some exciting news to share with you all.
To celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Aloud charity, we are going to be recording and releasing a brand new album featuring all of our Aloud choirs.
But in order to do this, we need your help.
Rydym yn ceisio cyrraedd targed uchelgeisiol o 10,000 o bunnoedd mwyn lansio'r CD newydd anhygoel hwn, ond ni allwn ni wneud heb eich cefnogaeth chi heddiw.
This project means so much to our singers at the moment, as it's an amazing way to celebrate the whole Aloud family being reunited together again in person after a really tough couple of years.
Mi fydd ein albwm newydd yn cynnwys caneuon o fyd y sioeau cerdd, ambell i gan bop, ac wrth gwrs, rhai o caneuon mwyaf adnabyddus Cymru.
Have you ever fancied having your own exclusive singing lesson with an Aloud choir leader? Or have your own VIP experience in the studio when we record an album? Or wanted you named as an executive producer on an album?
Wel, dyma'r cyfle. Ewch i'r tudalen ymgyrch i weld yr holl wobrau unigryw sydd ar gael. Bydd bob rhodd yn derbyn copi o'n albwm newydd. Dyma'r unig ffordd y gallwch chi ragarchebu.
So, if you want to hear Only Boys Aloud, our new girls' choir, and Only Kids Aloud, all united in song once again, please donate to make our dreams of launching this new album a reality. Every penny really does count. You have until the end of January to pledge your support.
Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. Thank you all so much for your incredible support on this amazing journey. We just knew you'd be there to make this all happen. Thanks a million.
Ready, steady, donate!
Diolch! Diolch yn fawr.